drone test light from the porch. You gotta hold the camera button for 3 seconds.
I am.
Lily, do you have earrings?
It should give you a little video icon.
Yeah, no.
Are they real?
I need to trim it so where the rotors are perfectly lined and they don't
They don't use because I don't have any
I'm just gonna end the video now to see if they have recorded.
Did I leave my chip in there?
I don't know.
Isn't my chip still in my phone?
Probably.
So in essence, we're not recording.
Yeah.
Check.
Well, after this maiden voyage from the balcony, then we'll get the chip out of my phone and we'll plug it in there and then we'll video it. How about them apples? How's that sound, Lily?
Daddy, look at my new earrings.
Oh, I like them a lot.
What did you guys do downstairs? I don't see anything.
Oh, lean over that.
Let's go! We've done a lot. Oh, did you see that loop? Oh, look at those piloting skills. Oh! Oh, you hugged the ground. Oh!
Fly high into it.
Go through the power lines. No.
Exactly.
Dumbest crap ever.
No, it's perfect.
I don't want to risk it. I know it's not that hard.
Okay,
to
fly
do.
over the power line.
He's not good enough.
Oh, look at the skills. Skills. Oh, it's getting too low. Oh, you're squeaking the bottom.
Just do it. Power lines.
Hey,
Oh!
Oh,
I thought he was gonna do power lines.
Oh, you got it.
Power lines. Go,
Oh
Chris.
god, I'm kind of scared right now.
Power lines. Do it.
Power lines.
You better bring that bad boy in for a landing for that battery says,
Yeah, you're right. Watch out, watch out. Everybody, watch out.
All right, can Chris bring it in?
Watch out, Gabby, move! Watch this, watch this. Power lines.
That was amazing skills,
Turn it
bro.
up. What are you doing?
Nah, I would just leave it sit.
Just let it sit.
Just let it sit. Great piloting skills. Look at those piloting skills. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, Chris, that was some of the best skills I've ever seen in my entire life.
Can I help you with the Christmas lights?
Yes, you may.
We're already setting Christmas lights.
All right, well, give me some type of dance or something. Can I get a little dance?
Can I have a dance?
Yeah, go ahead. Give me a dance. You got 1 second. Go. All right, we got a waltz and we got some Fortnite.
Gabby, why are you doing Fortnite dances?
All right.
Wait, I did it wrong.
See ya.